Let's get started. Okay, so to start for the frog, what we need is, we need a pencil. I am using a marker, but you can use a pencil, and oil pastels. Turn to page number 9. So we have to start the frog with the help of an oval. If you see, the face of the frog is an oval shape. So I have made an oval for the face, and now it's time for the body. The legs, the tongue, the mouth, 2 circles on top for the eyes, and now the front legs. Let's do some detailing. And a small fly on its tongue. So our drawing is done. So children, what is the color of the frog? Yes, it's green. So I am taking 2 shades of green, light green and dark green. You can take any other color of your choice. I am using the sap green to color the body of my frog. For the coloring part, we always do the borderline first. And then I'm going to fill the color inside it. Coloring the outlining first always helps us to set our boundaries. Try to blend the color well. Fill in all the white gaps that are left. Using the same color for the face. And for the feet. Doing the little details with this dark green color. And the tongue requires pink color. Let's do our cute little fly with blue color. And we are done. I hope you had great fun drawing and coloring this cute little frog. Now everybody quickly give a cute name to your pet frog, and I'll see you in the next class with more interesting topics. Till then, happy learning!